Well, we wait for the members, for people who want look to the Bitcoin price. I wait also for you. I not announced it before. This is a little bit spontaneous. Let's wait and look is if somebody interested in the Bitcoin analyze. So we wait a little bit. You can see we have here a resistance. It's a relative strong resistance. Let's see if Bitcoin can break this to the upside. Then we could see here a movement to the upside. Let's look. So let's look. The price is going here to the upside. It depends really what happens here. If we can break this to the upside, you can see the price is going here to higher levels. And let's look, because this is, in my eyes, the last movement to the upside. If you're looking here to this formation, then you can recognize we already test here some levels, 1, 2, 3. So let's look. I'm not so positive for the Bitcoin price. What I expect here is the whale can manipulate or stretch the price a little bit higher because this is the last wave. This is here the last wave, so that they can do easily a movement like this here. Then we are staying here at these levels. Then you can see we have here a W pattern. So then is the how can I describe the formation is then confirmed. Yeah. So this is one possibility. So somebody asked about $4,000. He say in the German, yeah, he say, okay, are you sure that the price of Bitcoin will go here to 4,000? Yes, I'm still believe that the price of Bitcoin can hit 4,000. This is not a random uh, a thought from my side. If you look here to the Bitcoin price, uh, in a whole structure, then it can happen relatively quick you that you think. Yeah. The reason is if you look to this uptrend, yeah, you see that we test this uptrend only 1, 2, 3 times. Yeah. Okay. Then a really good movement to the upside is happening. And then something I miss here in the chart. Yeah. That means you see we have here a gap here between 15,000 and 6,000. Yeah. The retest is not happening. Yeah. That means here we have a gap. The second gap is exactly here. This is also a gap. Yeah. So what you not know is that here, here we have to make a retest, but this is not happening. Yeah? And that's the reason why, if they say, okay, if they announce, okay, we stop Bitcoin for 6 months or it's forbidden, yeah, then you have no chance. The price will go like this to the downside. Yeah. And that makes sense. It makes sense because if the price is going straight to the downside, then we have our retest levels here. From the technical point, it makes sense that we start from this. Yeah. But we can discuss this, and you have your opinion, I have my opinion. So let's see. Yeah. So we can look here to another crypto if you want. People who not understand the chart, they have a different opinion. Um, but for people who understand the chart in 6 months, or I would not say 6 months, I would say here in April, May, many people will wake up very bad. Yeah. So mm, for people, normal people, okay, we're going here to the upside. They bought here maybe in these levels or in these levels, but they will wake up very bad because from the technical point of view, we have a really bad negative trend. Yeah. Also here, forget this here. Yeah. So long term, the price will go here to the downside. What possible is if they will stretch this to higher levels. Yeah. What I not believe because the formation is coming to the end. So um, the manipulation level or the stretching level here is maximum to 60,000. Yeah, if they want to stretch the formation, but even um, I believe here, if I look to this, even 60,000 is not possible. Yeah, what possible is in my eyes here if they want stretching 56,000, 55,000, it's possible. Um, let's look. Let's look to the scenario. What um, what possible is? Yeah, if let's say they manipulate the price to higher levels. Let's say, okay, we are wrong. The price is going to 50, 75,000. I see not the reason, but let's say, okay, the price is going to the higher levels here. Yeah. Yeah. Then the next logical step is that the price drops to 40,000 levels here. And then it makes sense from technical point of view, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, that we're going from this point, higher levels like this. Yeah. All valid. It's okay. Yeah. But this is, how can I say this? From the, if this happening so that the price is manipulated to these levels, this is valid. Yeah. This is okay from technical point of view. Yeah. But it seems it is not. Yeah. If we're looking here to the formation, it seems that will not happen. The reason is, I explain you this, then we can switch to XRP. The reason is this here. Look here, exactly. We have here resistance. So this is really not possible. Yeah. If we're going to 53,000 or 55,000 or 54, it's okay. This, yeah. Then you are maybe 2 weeks longer happy. But from the technical point of view, we have to stop here. If they manipulate the price, then I see, okay, the red line can happen. Yeah. If they stretch this, then this is has nothing to do with the technical analysis. Yeah. But from if they really not stretch and not manipulate, then we have to stop here because this is a bad formation here. You can see we have a lot of resistant here, resistant here, resistant here, resistant here, resistant here. Yeah, so it's confused. Yeah. So if they do that, then there's a pure manipulation and stretching. Yeah, from technical point of view, we have to stop here. And again, what many people not understand, also the one people here, um, he's so fanatic and so positive about the Bitcoin price. I know the halving is coming. Yeah, it will come. But we had also here this situation here. This was also good in levels of 12,000. Everything was well, everything was okay. You are also positive here, but you can see what happens. The price drops. Here it makes sense. Look here. We have a double test, test, and then the price is rising. And if you look here to this, where's your test? Do you see any tests here? This is no test. Let's say, okay, this is one test, yeah? But for one test is too few to begin a bull run. And that is the reason why many people will lose their money because they are not understand here the structure. Yeah. And that's the reason why I'm offering here also the membership to look exactly to these levels. Yeah. And in which we say, okay, make sense, make no sense. Yeah. So we're looking here to XCP. Let's look to XCP. It's relatively easy, the XCP chart. So if you asking me, also in the membership, I already made a video. In the XCP, we have a problem. Look, this was our uptrend, or is our uptrend. Look here. Yeah. You can see exactly. So this is our uptrend channel, and you can see exactly XCP fight with this level here. So it's relatively easy. If XCP break this here to higher levels like this, yeah, if you see that the price is going to levels of 65, 64, then it makes sense to look closer to XCP, yeah, and say, okay, the price can hit new highs like this, yeah, W pattern here, yeah, okay. But if you look exactly to this, then you can see that our uptrend is over because normally this should not happen here. This was our downtrend, and this was normally or is our uptrend. But you see what happens here. The whales press the price to the downside, yeah, and our uptrend is this. So even if the price is going to higher levels, we make this in blue, even if you see that the price is going to these levels, I not believe in that the price will rise strong and um, yeah, meaningful. Yeah. So I think they can press the price a little bit higher like this, and then the next downtrend is coming. And if you look here to this, there's not a stable situation. So I would never invest here at the moment in XCP. Let's look long term. Yeah, many of the XCP holder are long term holder. So I think if I look to this, we have here a possibility to get in XCP very cheap, especially at these levels. If you look to this here, you can see ground, test, yeah. And then we can say here at this level is a good cheap, invest, left shoulder head, the right shoulder formation, and then the price can fly. But at the moment, I see only a left shoulder here. I see here nothing in which I can say, okay, positive or not. Yeah. Let's look to perp. I don't know if I can find this. Let's look. Okay, you mean this here? Yeah. Let's look if we can find this in Coinbase. Yeah, few data, but we can understand this. Um, yeah, if you look into this typical behavior, look here what happens from 12 to 65. Yeah, here the overbought situation, and the chart is opposite. Look here. Yeah, here at we were here at $20, and you can see the RSI is the opposite of this chart, and the price of Bitcoin hits new highs, and the price stay here at $1. So personally, I would sell this, yeah, because this has no energy. Yeah, the reason is if we zoom in, typical behavior, if you look to this, let's throw our uptrend or megaform pattern to this here, and then you can see exactly this was our uptrend. The uptrend is broke. So what possible is they can, the price can test this level here, then it's finished in my eyes. Yeah. If the price breaks here his uptrend or come in the uptrend back, then we will get something like that. But this is risky. Yeah. So this is really too risky. Yeah. Hope the hope that the price coming back to $1.50 break this resistance, come here in this level, make new highs, make no sense. So you hope and nothing is happening. It can happen. Yeah, it's not I would avoid this, yeah. But the rest, positive risiko is 5% or 10%. To hope that the price break this year, make this and this. Yeah, so from technical point of view, okay, makes sense, W pattern, but this is too risky. So you decide. Let's look here to Phantom. Make your membership so that you have these informations also live. Phantom. So you can see a wonderful chart. My prediction was right here at $2.30. I said the price will go here to 34 cents. It's happening. So this was 100% prediction from my side. Also relatively easy to understand here the chart. We are here in an accumulation area. You can see this exactly here. The sad side of Phantom is the Bitcoin price hits new highs, and you can see the Phantom price stay sideways. And this is danger because why is this danger? Because the price of Bitcoin is going higher and the price of Phantom is going sideways. What happens if the Bitcoin price goes to $10,000? What will happen here? I I can say what will happen. You will find the the price of Phantom at these levels here. Yeah, 0.006. Let's look. I want to not make here a quick analyze. Let's look also here. You can see the first wave was here, second this, and this is our W pattern. So you can see the uptrend is broke. Exactly, if you want to see this exactly, this is the first uptrend is broke. There's the second uptrend is broke, and we are here at the third. Yeah, you can see, and I can draw for you also the exact. Look, 1, 2, 3, and in this third wave, the fourth wave is also broke. Look, so many people not understand this, and they are very euphoric. But for me, is this relative horrible. Yeah, so I would never invest at these levels in the Phantom or other altcoins. Yeah, let's look here to this wave. You can see this is our last wave here. Again, the example with other cryptos before. Um, let's say the whales manipulate the price, yeah, and say, okay, we're coming back to these levels here due to manipulation. Yeah, then we have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Then we could easily hit this. But if I look here to this formation, I have not so good feeling. So even if this happening, you can see 40 cents, 60 cents. What's the benefit of this? You test only here, 1, 2, and this is too few. Yeah, even if this happening, you can forget this. Yeah, so from a technical point of view, this will never go higher. What uh, what in my eyes makes sense is that we coming here to the downside. Yeah, coming to the downside. Then you can see here wonderful formation. You can see here that we have no matter, even if the price is going to 0.006 is good. Yeah. The reason is you have to look to the big picture. The big picture, this is our hammer. That means in 2025, 26, we will see a movement like this. Look, that's the reason why we build here our left shoulder here. Look, yeah, and that is the key. Yeah, and that is the information that you need. I give also this in my members, the membership, so that we can build here structure, but more in the membership. So let's look here to the next. I make, I will also look to engine. Yeah. So, this is one of my favorites. That's the reason, that is the reason why this is my favorite. You can see a lot of potential to make gains. Yeah. So here you see a opposite example. You can see even if our um, uptrend is broke, you see we have a constant movement to the upside. Yeah, you can see. So you can see also that our uptrend is not yet over, so that we can say, okay, our potential is so that the price of IMX can go here to $3.74. Yeah, not must have, but possible. So let's look here to the daily chart. Um, let's look here exactly. So I'm honest to you, it depends on the Bitcoin price. Yeah, so we have here this resistance. If they manipulate or stretch the Bitcoin price higher, then this chart has the power to go in direction of $9, $10. Yeah, this chart has this power. Yeah, so it is possible, but it depends really what they do with the Bitcoin price, because if the Bitcoin price drops, then you have no chance. This will also drop. Yeah. Let's look to the last wave here, to this here, in which area we are. If we're looking here exactly, then we can say here, if you're looking here to the formation, then nearly 90% is over. So if you are buying this at the 50 cent, okay, then you can sell. But I would avoid to invest here new. Yeah, you can see also exactly here if the price stay at these levels here. Yeah, then we can make a movement like this. But it's a relative danger if we break this here to the downside. Then IMX has a problem because you can see retest of this level and then finally very quick to the downside. Yeah. So we're looking here to engine coin. Dangerous chart. The reason is why this is danger. Look exactly to these levels here. Yeah, you can see what kind of information you can see here. You can see that we test this level here. 1, 2. Then you see that we have this here. This is a typical behavior of a W pattern. Yeah, you can see this here. And that means that our points here, look, these points here, this and this are in the same level. This is inverse or will be our inverse reaction because our W pattern is coming to the end. Yeah. Again, if they manipulate or stretch the price to higher levels here, then you will see maybe this here. Yeah, because then we can argument this. We have here uptrend like this. Yeah, so the uptrend is active and they stretch this to higher levels. It's okay for me if the price is going to 52, but more than this, I'm not seeing this here. Yeah. So in my eyes, maximum 52. Yeah. But I think if we turning here the market at the moment, then even this is not possible. Yeah. So forget it. Yeah. So the price of Bitcoin will turn. So it's let's look here to Bitcoin Bank. Then maybe you understand this. So you can see it's depend what the whales make here. So you can see they can do a last movement to higher levels like this. Yeah. If the altcoins then pump really hard, it's okay. But from the technical point of view, we have not so much energy here. Yeah. Of course, they can press to the button. Yeah. And let the price like this go here to higher levels and then like this. Yeah. It's okay. But from the technical point of view, we have not the energy and not the possibility. This is a pure stretching of this price. So let's look here to the next helium. I hope I can find this. Okay. So also crypto that is relative, I would say a little bit manipulated, but it's a good crypto. I explain you how can I say? I explain you the performance from this. Normally, if you are a long-term holder, then for you is interesting that you know the performance. I expect helium in 2025-26 at 140. Yeah, this is the target. If you want to understand this, make a membership, then request this, and I can explain you this why I think this will happen. But short term, if you look here to this, then you can recognize that we have here this uptrend and this resistance here. You can see this is getting smaller and smaller, this area. Yeah. So I see not so much energy here. If we zoom in, of course, they can break this resistance, can go a little bit higher like this, but I see more negativity here. Yeah, so double top, double top. That is what I see. Also, what I see here is negativity here, full, full negativity here, full negativity here. So the maximum what possible is for helium, I think makes sense here. Yeah, you can see this from the side. Long term is okay. Long term, you will win. The price will go lower, and then we have here a wonderful left shoulder head and the right shoulder. So, looking here to the next, I have to read the text or the chat. Let me look. My question back to engine coin. Long term, you ask long term you will win. But what is long term for you? Long term for you? Long term is my time horizon 25, 26, 27, 28. Yeah. Then you will find here engine coin, not here, you will find engine coin in levels of $20. Also, if you under if you understand the chart, then you see that this is going to $20. But nobody checked this. Yeah. So, become member, you are a member, but if you want explicit the end targets, yeah, like $20 and so on, make the what end price target membership so that you have the end targets, and then you can calculate. Okay, I have time 3-4 years. Yeah, it is possible to find out this end targets. So let's look here to. I have to read my chat. So we're looking here to the next is Jasmine. So a wonderful crypto. The reason is if we looking to this, okay, 35 cent to 0.06 is a bad performance, but you have to look here long term. Long term, you will win here, even if the situation here is bad. Yeah, let's look here more exactly. If you're looking here to this, then you can recognize also the Bitcoin price hit new highs, and you can see the performance here. Not so good. You can see also we test this level so much. Look here. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth test is normally the breakout here. But this will not happen because you can see we tested so much. So this small wave here It's our last wave. So do you really believe that our last wave is at RSI 68, has no power, has really not the power to break out? Do you really believe that we break out here? No. And that is the chart what is telling to us. That means the price will break down. And I think we will see new lows. So you have here maybe the possibility here to get in very cheap at just me or lower. And so the benefit is, I think, that we can see a building of a head here. What means that we can sit here on these levels, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And then the price of just me will explode because this here is exactly the same level in which the Bitcoin price has his uptrend. And that means also that the price of just me has to test this level again. Yeah. In the end of the day, you will see here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. What will press the price in direction of $1? I know it's a little bit big, yeah, but you have to understand the structure. Yeah, if you not understand, then if I draw a line for you here in the direction of 40 cent, then you not understand maybe. Yeah, but you have to understand what happens here. And exactly this is the end information, and we will start a new formation. So we're looking here to algo. Also a super crypto. You can see here the W pattern. So this will exactly happen like the Jasmine chart. Yeah, because these two charts are really yeah, similar. You can see this also here. Our W pattern, exactly like engine chart, testing of this level. This is weak, even if we have here a formation like left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. Uptrend is broke, especially if you see a behavior like this. This is not a good behavior because the next step is like this. Yeah. So, and again, the same behavior, the price have to come to the downside, but long term you see it's a W pattern. Long term you will win. Yeah. So let's look here to two or more. Become member is a help for you that you can make a strategy. Yeah, because it makes no sense that you go here with full money here in this algorithm if you know that the price will go a little bit higher, lower. If you know, okay, the price will go back to 0.09, why you pay 100% more? Yeah, if you know, okay, the price will go to 0.09 levels or lower, make no sense to invest. Yeah, especially if we know, yeah, exactly this is the last wave here, last positive wave. Yeah. Let's look to AMC. I hope this is the right AMC. let's take this. I only find this EMC. It is a positive chart. The reason is why this is positive. Look here to this formation. This is under pressure. That means um, if the price breaks his downtrend, yeah. If you look here exactly, we already broke the negative trend, so we are in a positive level, yeah. So normally, if you see something like that, then the next logical step is this here. Left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, yeah. We have to look here exactly why this is not going to higher levels. But we have also good informations. Look here to the spike here. Do you see this? And this give us the information, okay, the test level, yeah, is in the level of 60 cent. You can see the price is at 11 cent. So that means we have to test this level again. And this is a help for us, okay? The price is long-term higher than 11 cent. Let's look exactly more. So it is um, it is a massive manipulation on this chart. Normally, it's like the bond chart. Normally, this wave here is our strongest wave. Yeah, here. And you can see exactly with your own eyes what happens here. They press the price here to the downside. Look, first wave manipulated to the downside. Second wave is negative. In the third wave, they do that also. Yeah, so you have no chance. Yeah, so the price is pure press to the downside. Let's look but one step back. Okay, they can do that here to the downside. What is with this formation? Um, Keep in your mind, okay, maybe you are invested, you are in negative, but we have here a positive uptrend here and here. Yeah. So if you say, okay, I have so many losses, then I would wait. Yeah, because um, we have here this uptrend. So they cannot do here uh, infinity manipulation to the downside. We have to come back to these levels. Yeah. So that is what I see that is possible, that we going here from the 11 cent to $1. And if we can break this, make here a break, and then the next step is this. Yeah. If we're coming back in this positive channel, then even $3 is possible. Yeah. But again, not invest all your money here in AMC. So let's look to the next two, and then I would finish. Become member. Then you have this information also. Yeah. Request this for you for request your wish crypto for membership, and then you get this information from my side. Let's look what we have here. Let's look. Let's make Kotti. A disappointed crypto. The reason is because they press the price to the downside. Look, horrible. I would never invest here because you can see 70 is RSI overbought situation, and we're staying here at 009. So what kind of performance we can expect here? Nothing. You can see the price tests here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So time to leave the boat because the price will crash to the downside. Yeah. Let's look. Also here, you can see, oh, horrible. Look here. This is our uptrend. Yeah. Only one time the price, if the price breaks only one time to the downside, then we will see relative quick these levels here. And I think in the next bear market, you can pick up the Gotti here at 001 levels here like this. This will happen. Long term is okay. You will win because the reason is this is the same uptrend like Jasmine, so that we will see long term, I don't know, 2025, 26, a movement like this. Yeah. Also left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And this is our neckline here, what many people not see. I know if you want here exact analyze why this is so important here, then we have to switch to Bitcoin. Then I can explain you why this is our neckline, yeah, and why this uptrend is going like here. And that means with our neckline, the price is something like $3.50 or $4. Yeah. But this is long term. Yeah. So our base we build here, long term you will win. Yeah. But if you want exact and say, okay, why this is going here exactly from here, then I can show this in the Bitcoin chart, why we expect or I expect that the neckline is going from here. Yeah. But short term, you can see you will lose everything. Yeah. But long term, very good. So we make one, and then I would finish, become member, and enjoy the benefit. Let's use here. Let's look here to Filecoin. This is one of the interesting cryptos. So also, it seems that the Filecoin is dead, but the opposite is the case. You can see we have here our inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and we test here at Filecoin our lows. Yeah? Keep this in your mind. We test our lows. Yeah? Look, this is our lows. Yeah? This is our level for our shoulder. So, and like the Jasmine chart and other chart, Filecoin fight with his broke uptrend. I wanna not showing this here. I already showed this my members. I wanna show you the last movement. Yeah, it's not fair for these people who have the membership. Yeah, I wanna show you this only for you. Here, look, uptrend is broke. Uptrend is broke. Uptrend is broke. Yeah, what that means for us. We are in the last fragment of a positive movement. Yeah. That means the maximum what possible is here is that we test this level. Let's say, okay, somebody pressed the button, the price is going to $8. Yeah. Then you can see we have a huge resistance here. Yeah. If we can break this, what I not believe, you can see we tested so much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we break this to the upside. Yeah. Then you will see a movement like this. Yeah. But this is never a formation in which we can say, okay, from a technical point, it makes sense or something like that. Yeah. This will never happen. So that we have to stay here on these levels, maybe a little bit manipulation to these levels. I expect a crash to the downside, but for the future, you will also win here. But I will not say this in a free channel. Become member and get this end target here. This is one of the best formation that I ever saw. Yeah, so this is a formation that can make you, if you are smart, a millionaire. Because that is not normal here. A movement or a hammer that is going from $20 to $240. Yeah. That is, has a reason why this is so going too much, but this will end very good. Yeah. But this is for the members. If you want this end target, become member of the Wolfram Price target. Then you have this information also. I would say have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Stay on the channel. New videos will come. Have a nice day.